I'm here. Ah! Let him fix this. Alright, picked it up. There we go. Now we're good.
Hi.
Saw that coming. No, it's good. Alright.
Hey y'all, welcome back with another video. The current state of our house. Okay, so we are moving to Nashville, if y'all didn't know. I know people are kind of freaking out because of this whole coronavirus thing, but I just want to let y'all know that I'm a nurse. I had my last day at my job here in Houston yesterday, and I start at the new hospital on April 20th, which is the same day that this apartment lease ends. So we decided it was the best decision to still move up there, still move into our new apartment, and really just move. Last weekend, we actually went with my parents to go move stuff up to Nashville. So we basically have nothing in our apartment. We have no bed frame. We only have 2 very old lawn chairs that we're using because we already sold our sofa. So our apartment right now is very bare. There are some boxes behind me that's basically the essentials we kept here, and we're gonna take those with us on Sunday when we leave. Really looking forward to showing y'all everything up there because Nashville is gorgeous. It's about a 12.5-hour drive from here, and you go through Texarkana and Arkansas, you get Little Rock, and then into Tennessee you get Memphis, and then from Memphis it's basically a straight shot to Nashville. There's not a lot of big towns along the way, but it is still a gorgeous drive. Definitely still gonna miss our family and friends, but we still believe that this is the right move to make right now. Okay, so I'm gonna take y'all around the apartment just a little bit. So right next to me, we have a desk and a desk chair that are going to my mother. The rest of our living room is basically empty. There's nothing there except Polly. Hi. Then we come over here, we have all our essential boxes. And then a bunch of shoes on the floor. Washer and dryer are empty. There's nothing in there. All our cabinets and stuff are empty. Is empty. We are basically completely packed and ready to move out. Let me take y'all into the bathroom. There is only one towel. We have all our toiletries basically packed up, ready to go. And the closet is essentially empty too, besides Paulo's big pile of clothes. And then we go into our bedroom here, and this is what I was talking about. We have no bed frame, just a single mattress on the floor, and that's about it. Alright, so although we're really sad to be leaving Houston, we've had an amazing time here, and we're really looking forward to going to Nashville. So we're gonna fast forward to Sunday, which is the day we're actually moving. Okay guys, it's Sunday, Easter Sunday, and we have the car packed and we're ready to go. So we're gonna go get on headed to Nashville. So we came to the Arkansas rest stop. We just got into the state and we just had our lunch. We had Burger King. There's not many places open on Easter Sunday, but that's okay. We ate here and we're gonna get back on the road. guys, so we have made it to Nashville. We are currently at our apartment and we thought we'd do a quick little apartment tour for y'all. We're gonna start out here really quickly because it's kind of cold. We have a little table and then 2 chairs to go with it, and then we just have some other stuff in the bin out there. And then we haven't gotten all of our furniture yet, so I'll show you what I can. So this is where Paulo's desk is gonna be. Our actual TV stand will be right here, and this is our coffee table that'll go over here, and then we'll have a big couch right here. This is our little bookshelf area, and Bali's area is down here. He does make a mess with his water, so we have a towel down there. We have Paulo's guitar. Then we'll come into the bedroom where we just put this dresser up yesterday. We're gonna put this up later today. This is our king size bed with our 2 nightstands next to it. And we have 2 doors. You have the bedroom door into the closet, and then you have the bathroom door into the closet. So it's a nice little area. And then we come in here to the bathroom. We have a nice shower curtain. We have another little closet right here for all that good stuff. And then what I love is it's a sliding door. So we come out here, and this leads back into the kitchen and living room area. And so this is our kitchen. Lots of cabinet space and space to put everything. This is the little bar stool area where we'll sit and eat. And we have a washer dryer in here. Ceiling goes up pretty high, so we were able to stack some stuff in there. And lastly, we have on the other side of our sliding door is this little mud room. So we again could put stuff high up, and then we have all these hooks to put our stuff, then our shoe area, and our welcome area for our keys and such. So that is our apartment.
We're in downtown Nashville, and there's nobody here. Everything is closed. Broadway Street is pretty much closed too.